Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, Episode 27. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to price and sell AI-Augmented FTE-Replacement retainers so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. By the end of this episode, you'll have a conservative value narrative, a calculator to prove the monthly savings, and a capped async retainer template that converts conservative buyers into 5K plus clients without burning out. Your skills are your freedom currency. Hook. If you're a nomad trading hours for dollars, this will feel familiar. You win a client, they want hourly estimates, scope creeps, and you end up exhausted while the rate stays low. Meanwhile, companies are internally asking whether to hire a new employee at $70K a year or hire a vendor. That comparison is your leverage. Instead of selling time, sell measurable employer savings, an outcome-focused, AI-augmented role replacement that shows you cut hiring costs while delivering the key KPIs the team cares about. That shift turns conversations from "what's your hourly rate" to "how does this compare to $1,000 monthly hire?" Section 1. What FTE replacement pricing actually is and why it works. At its core, FTE replacement pricing packages your skills, processes, and AI tools into a single retained service that performs the core functions of one full-time role. The math is simple and persuasive. Take the employer's total cost to hire, salary plus benefits and burden, divide by 12 to get a monthly hire cost, and then show a conservative vendor retainer that delivers equivalent, or clearly scoped, outputs for a fraction of the management overhead. AI matters because it amplifies your capacity. Automated drafting, content ops pipelines, intelligent summarization, and decision support reduce the manual hours required while improving consistency. But you never sell AI as a promise. You sell the measurable outputs it helps you deliver. Frame two scenarios for the client: conservative and optimistic savings, and anchor the retainer against the conservative monthly hire cost so risk-averse buyers feel safe. Make your narrative fact-forward. Demonstrate the KPI you'll impact, how you measure it, and how the monthly retainer stacks up against hiring another headcount. Section 2. A 3-step actionable blueprint plus a real Nomad example you can replicate. Step 1. Pick a replaceable role and the measurable KPIs. Good candidates are content operations lead, growth marketing generalist, customer success coordinator with churn metrics, or analytics reporter. Choose one primary KPI the company already tracks: leads per month, MQL to opportunity rate, content output consistency, or weekly response SLA. Step 2. Build the FTE savings calculator and service scope. Inputs: annual salary, benefits and burden, usually 20-30%, recruitment cost amortized over the first year, and a conservative estimate of the KPI lift you deliver. The calculator converts that into monthly employer savings. Step 3. Craft a capped async retainer priced against that monthly hire cost. The retainer includes weekly async deliverables, a strict scope cap, a monthly outcome report, and an optional performance-linked upsell clause. Offer a 30-day pilot priced at 30-50% of the retainer so conservative buyers can test the model with low friction. Now the compact Nomad example. A client named Maya, a content ops nomad, packaged herself as a content operations replacement for a seed-stage software company. She estimated a full-time hire at $8,000 per month fully loaded. Her conservative calculator showed she could deliver the essential outputs and reduce recruitment overhead to equal $6,000 per month. She priced a capped retainer at $6,000, committed to weekly async deliverables and a monthly KPI report, and included a pilot at $3,000 for month 1. The client signed because the math showed a clear hiring alternative and the async scope protected Maya's travel schedule. Section 3. How to scale without burning out, and the immediate action step you can complete in 24 hours. Protect your energy with 3 rules: strict scope caps, asynchronous deliverables, and delegation. First, define a hard cap on hours or outputs per week and bake that into the contract. No informal extras. Second, design deliverables to be async friendly. Templated briefs, recorded walkthroughs, and a single shared dashboard for KPI updates. Third, build a delegation stack, vetted micro-contractors for tactical work, and reusable AI prompts and templates for repetitive tasks. Use a monthly outcome report to justify upsells rather than billing by the hour. Show the KPI delta and offer a clearly scoped expansion if the client wants more. Immediate action step. Today, open a spreadsheet and create a baseline calculator. Input: role title, annual salary estimate, benefits/burden percent, recruitment amortization, and expected conservative KPI lift. Use client-provided or industry benchmarks. The calculator should output the employer's monthly cost and 2 retainer anchors: conservative retainer, 60 to 80% of monthly hire, and pilot price, 30 to 50% for month 1. Then write one outreach message tailored to a dream client using this line: I help companies replace one full-time role title with an AI-augmented async retainer that reduces total hire cost by X%. Can I show you a conservative savings calculator in 10 minutes? Send that message within 24 hours and book one demo. If you want the exact templates, the calculator spreadsheet, proposal language, pilot scripts, and a bonus audit checklist that walks you through client KPIs, I built a short course with everything packed into actionable files you can use today. In the course, you'll get the calculator pre-formatted, 3 retainer templates with capped scopes, outreach scripts tailored to conservative buyers, and a delegation checklist for scaling safely. Visit the course page to enroll and download the bonus audit checklist. And if you implement one offer this week, you'll have a testable result to iterate from. Charge what you're worth. And remember, your skills are your freedom currency. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take one action this week and start seeing results. If you liked this episode, share it with a nomad who needs a pricing upgrade, and leave a review so we can keep creating practical, high-value training. Build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. I'm Aria Reyes. Until tomorrow, keep testing offers and protecting your energy. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take one action this week and start seeing results.